Alright, as I go back through and review a lot of my files, I find some of my bird racks where I'm zoomed in at full zoom, and this is the size of it. And I've actually had sometimes where it's even looks or appears smaller. No, sorry about the distortion. Again, you can never really focus in on distortion. Once it's distorted, there's no way to undistort it because it has to do with the humidity that's in the air. And that's the same thing that has to do with the lensing effect. The more humidity, the more lensing or the more magnification. Although there's a lot of people that are skeptical about it. I, for one, because of all the observations that I have done, and of course, I don't share everything that I do. I can't because I do such long observations. And that's one of the things. I'm one of these stupid ass invisible flat tards that do long observations that not many people want to sit down and learn from them. They don't want to, focus and pay attention to the smaller details. And that's what happens when you rush through an observation. You do make mistakes. Like I made a mistake, and I will admit it. We all do. But putting that aside, this rack is this size, and you can see this boat that was up next to it, and the people compared to it. And then yesterday, that footage was from 11/19/2018. This was from yesterday, 2/26/2019. Yes, it was raining a little bit. It was sprinkling out. And as you can see, that this rack is or does appear much bigger. Why? Because of the magnification of the water that's in the air. And this is something that, again, by me paying attention to a lot of the small details in my videos or my observations, I notice these. And I'm noticing a lot more too with the mirroring effect, how this mirroring effect does draw things down. It compresses things, and it can stretch things, just like the concave convex mirror. It compresses and stretches, and also things can vanish within its own reflection in a concave mirror. So these are things that I take into consideration, and I try to bring these out. I try to get people to watch my observational videos because I think when you compare the good with the bad is where you're going to be able to learn something. You get a boat cut off, and people will say that it's because of the curvature of Earth, but then you get a good day of visibility, and not only can you see that boat completely in the water, you see boats even farther beyond perfectly in the water. All right, again, I just wanted to bring this up to people that are a little skeptical about it. Thanks for watching.